Good morning. Today at the District Learning Assembly for the Vibrant Year, we are very privileged. The Optimus Studio is very privileged to have with us Avenue Director for Bagban and Disability, Mona Shah. Hi Mona, welcome to our studio.
Thank you, Kala, for inviting me.
Yes. So Mona, how we know that Bagban and disability, Bagban is one of the most passionate avenues for our Vibrant DG Chetan. What are your plans for Bagban?
Why? So such a perfect question. I think the very first time these two big avenues like Bagban and disability to ability is getting combined, and I especially want to thank Vibrant DG Chetan Desai for giving us this opportunity to lead such a sensitive subject and where we can combine both the avenues together. I feel this is one of the best thing because when we see senior citizens and the people with disabilities, especially children, if we can combine together and give them the opportunity to be there, spend some time together, either in a daycare home or in the unit where they are staying, I think it's mutually beneficial to both. And I'm sure in the coming year, we'll be doing a great work with my Vibrant team, leading by Avenue Chair Kala Sridhar, looking after the disability to ability, and Savita Govikar, she will be heading the old age home and for the senior citizens.
What are your plans for the dyslexia children?
Oh, nice. See, as we know, the children with dyslexia is number of them is increasing. One is the changing of the lifestyle, screen time. At the same time, awareness is needed to detect them early. If we can plan to detect if there is a chances of dyslexia and if we can identify early, then there is a lot we can benefit to our children. And for such a noble initiative, we have associated with Maharashtra Dyslexia Association. With them and Anshu Child Development Center, we are going to have a teachers training program across the district for all the schools every month in each zone, and that will be training seminar for teachers to early identification with a training in the checklist for the early detection of dyslexia.
Yes. Regarding the Bagban program for the old age homes, how are you planning it?
So, Bagban, as we were doing, and lot of members of the district are aware of this. It's such a wonderful program. We are starting with the very first event on the 1st July, taking it lead by a West Zone at the Mukesh Patel Auditorium. It is going to be an entertainment event plus a talent show for all the senior citizens of the old age home, at the same time children with special kind of ability, and I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful event. The mega event is going to be there in each zone throughout the year, but we are going to have every month one event for Bagban and disability to ability, where there will be entertainment. It is in collaboration with the ARC events and Shankar Mahadevan institutes together, and it's going to be a purely entertainment, music, talent show, laugh and laughter. There are some moments which we can give them to forget about their pain and disability both.
Can you tell us something about the app for the senior citizens?
Yeah, this is one of the very different and a unique initiative. We have given it a name of Vibrant Rakshak, and it is in true sense it's going to take care of a Raksha of our senior citizens in whichever place and wherever they are. The members, their children will not be worried about them because any kind of urgentness or a seriousness will be nominated to them. So either they will, if there is some accident, the police or the ambulance will reach. Either there is any kind of fall or prevention, then again there is somebody where they need help. It will be immediately helped and will be notified through this app to across to their children, and it is going to keep a data, and I think that will help all the family members to relax. At the same time, the senior citizen will be able to walk or mobile themselves and will be with free mind and not to have any scarcity or anything scared among themselves.
About the vibrant Vachak, can you tell us something about that?
Don't you think so, Kala? We have given unique name to all our programs. Vibrant Vachak. After Vibrant Rakshak is a Vibrant Vachak. Vachak, we all know everybody likes to read. And Vachak is somebody we are going to create 100 libraries across old people home with unique compilation of the books which they'll be able to read anytime at their comfort. We are happy to get notification of if any of the members or any of our team members will know like which are the old age home where it will be the most benefited. We are going to create library, and it is in association with Ratna Nidhi Charitable Trust. So I think it's going to take a long way with the senior citizens.
And last question about the mega project on 1st of July in collaboration with Ratna Nidhi Charitable Trust. Can you please tell us something about that?
So this 1st July of the Vibrant Year, I think we are going to start with a bang. In the morning, we are going to have a very first project. Our goal is make Mumbai disabled free. And to start off with this initiative, we are going to have a prosthetic limb fixation for the very first day of the 1st July near Siddhivinayak Mandir. It is at Kama Hall, and there we are expecting to fix at least around 80 to 100 prosthetic limb with we will be getting all the entries by 30th May. We'll be ready with the prosthetic limb, and it will be fixed and rehabilitated, and training will be done on the very 1st July with the hand of our newly taken up district governorship of Chetan Desai. So I invite all of you to be a part of such a great start of the Vibrant Year.
Thank you so much, Mona. Thanks for gracing us. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, Kala Sridhar, and we'll be working together for such a great venue. Thank you.